Welcome, Mr. President.
Thanks for having me, Larry.
Since finishing your last term as president, you have started a new, exciting role in the community. Would you like to enlighten us on your new role?
Yes, in late March I was given an opportunity to become an IT comp teacher at the Year Up Puget Sound site. The IT team, Stephen and Mike, have welcomed me in and helped me in many ways on this new journey.
Sounds like a great opportunity. Share with us something your class is learning right now.
Right now my class is in the process of learning virtualization.
Virtualization, that sounds like a pretty big deal.
It is.
Please give us some insight on this subject.
Sure. Well, virtualization is controlled cloning of clients using virtual hardware. Teaching students the pros and cons of virtualization has been a success, and it's great for them to know how virtualization functions and how it can help save their future companies they will be working for money.
Saving companies money? Cha-ching. How is this possible?
Companies can save money by switching to virtualization and cutting down on upgrade costs they would have paid for if they were ever faced with upgrading individual workstations or any other major problems they may run into. With the power of virtualization, they can cut down on cost and update 1 or 2 servers that will then update the rest of the virtual workstations, and makes it easier for a team to manage upgrades for the company. I would recommend VDI in a box, which virtualizes desktop images and runs them on servers that users can access from any location through PCs or thin clients, which is the solution my class is learning now. Anything involves saving money is a winner in my book.
I learned a few things or two about the traditional VDI. What are the advantages of VDI in a box?
Well, VDI in a box eliminates expensive infrastructure that traditional VDI typically needs. With VDI in a box, you do not need high-speed interconnects and expensive high-throughput shared storage. You will also not need additional management servers because the entire solution is packaged as one consolidated virtual appliance and ready to go.
Our team here at CNN uses multipoint. How does VDI differ from multipoint?
With multipoint, you use a USB to B cable that transmits your mouse clicks, keystrokes, audio and USB data, and carries your display images through a VGA/DVI cable. For VDI, your display images, mouse movements, keystrokes, USB devices, audio and flash data all run through your Ethernet cable, which connects to the switch that then communicates to the server. With the multipoint layout, everything you see happens on the server. With the USB cable, it transmits that and displays it for you.
Wow, similar but extremely different in many ways.
Yes, another key factor is bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that passes a given point over a period of time, which is usually 1 second. Since VDI essentially is one cable doing all the data transmission, if multiple users are working all at once, it may cause an excessive lag for the users. With multipoint, a lag can happen, but not as extensive as the lag you face with VDI. There are many pros and cons, but I'm sure anyone who is impatient with waiting would want to know the lag effect they may run into.
Virtualization sounds like it will be taking over with a click of a button.
Well, Larry, that's the plan. We are just trying to keep up with the curve. With virtualization, you can run multiple operating systems and applications on a single computer, consolidate hardware to get vastly higher productivity from fewer servers, speed and simplify IT management, maintenance, and the deployment of new applications, and it's more secure than other methods we use today. My own thoughts, I believe virtualization is the way.
Your Year Up students must be pretty amazing to be absorbing all this information and being able to understand the concept.
There, Larry, in the future you should stop by our Puget Sound site and sit in on a class and get an up-close look at the advanced learning that is taking place.
Thank you so much, former President Obama, for taking the time out to enlighten us on virtualization. We here at CNN support Year Up and their vision and look forward to what your students are doing out in the world today. For more information about Year Up and their amazing staff and students, find them at yearup.org.
Thank you, Larry.